Be very careful. Very careful.
Careful.
Okay, pour it in. Uh-oh. Okay, what do we need to get? We gotta clean up.
Clean up.
Let's get the towel. Okay, can you put the cup back in the drawer?
Uh-oh. Made it spill. Prince doesn't seem to mind though. He's already going to work on the food. But my daughter, it's just not cleaning up. That's my girl.
Clean up.
Here she comes. Clean up. Clean up. There you go, baby girl. Clean up.
Good job.
Everybody, everywhere.
Thank you.
Good job, baby girl.
Good job. Okay, let's throw that away. Good job.
All done? Okay. Say bye-bye, baby girl.
Want to throw it away?